General Chiwenga, the statesman Zimbabwe deserves for its next chapter. The ever-shifting landscape of Zimbabwean politics. Moments of clarity are rare, but when they do okay, they offer a glimpse into the kind of leadership the country needs, not just to survive, but to thrive. One such moment came recently when acting President General retired Dr. Kosano Chiwenga addressed the nation with a message that was as sober as it was visionary. Sabina masho buda pangwa ino no kwanza general pangwa ino wotora mkombe ndo kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibina pangwa ino paenda chipomsarone ndambira chiti. General Chiwenga called on Zimbabweans to uphold the ethical leadership, unity of purpose, and national development as the country marches toward Vision 2030. These are not just buzzwords. They are the bedrock of any serious national project. And in Chiwenga's delivery, they were not platitudes, they were principles. What struck many observers was not just what he said, but how he said it. There was no grandstanding, no populist theatrics, no intoxicated rambling or performative dancing for the cameras, just a calm, composed, and commanding presence. A statesman was speaking. This is important in a political culture where proximity to power is often mistaken for leadership and where noise is too often confused with substance. General Chiwenga represents a different mode. He is not a man who seeks validation through spectacle. He does not need to shout to be heard. His authority is earned, not imposed. Critics may scoff, but the contrast is glaring. Why some figures in political orbit stumble through public appearances with the grace of the drunken uncle at a wedding, General Chiwenga carries himself with military precision and national purpose. He is not a sideshow, he is the main act. What many Zimbabweans may not fully appreciate is that General Chiwenga's leadership is not a recent phenomenon. As a commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, he played a pivotal role in stabilizing the country during the critical transition. In government, he demonstrated discipline, loyalty, and a deep understanding of statecraft. These are not accidental traits. They are the result of decades of service and sacrifice. Thomas Warumdanyo kopangwa ine aiwa na chipomsaruro acho chipresa VP Kosano Chiwenga. Pena comment section menu za mafunguro ayi mutudi pamzuri pe chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.